Hi everybody, welcome back to All DIY, No Skills. This is the final video of the fall overseed. Let's take a look at what we got. As you can see, it's some pretty dirty work spreading the peat moss. But we have a nice layer of peat moss. Whatever top dressing you want to do on your project, lay it out. And now the single most important thing that you could do after you overseed is to water. You want to make sure that you have your new seed moist all the time. And do not mow your lawn for at least 2-3 weeks. Let the seed grow, keep watering it, keep it wet. And that's it. That's how you do a fall overseed. We're gonna keep the water on them. We'll check the lawn in 2 weeks. So today is August 31st, 2023. Like I said, you want to do the overseed 6 to 8 weeks before your first frost date. So according to the Farmer's Almanac, my first frost is October 20th. So this was the perfect time to do it. I got some nice sunny weather coming up next week. So we'll keep the sprinklers on the lawn, keep it nice and wet. And soon we'll see little sprouts popping up. New little grass. And in 2 or 3 weeks, when it's established, we'll give it its first mow. Thanks again, everybody. Please like and subscribe, and take care.